Hey guys, Tyler here, your Puzzle Master Insider, and today I'll be giving you an inside look at a brand new packing puzzle from Jean-Claude Constantin, the maker of Pinto Tea. And this one, I call it the better looking brother of Pinto Tea. It's the 37 STERNE, or 37 stars. Okay guys, so here's this 37 STERNE puzzle, or 37 stars as it is in English, from Jean-Claude Constantin. It's the follow-up to his very popular Pinto Tea puzzle, and many of you would have seen Mr. Puzzle do that on his YouTube channel. He has a video on there of it, and that Pinto Tea is a really awesome puzzle, and this is the much better looking brother to the Pinto Tea. It's more well designed, and I actually say I like this one better myself. It's just it's got a cool design to it, very odd pieces again, just very much like that Pinto Tea, and they kind of fit in just such a distinct and different way. But the thing I like about this one over the Pinto Tea is that the fact that it has a border. So when you take these out, there is some sort of a border that it fits into, and it gives you a frame of reference to work from as to what's going on. So whereas the Pinto Tea kind of had that just those metal posts on the outside holding it in, this one gives you a much better frame of reference for where things need to go, what needs to happen, and again, just that fantastic different kind of jigsaw packing puzzle type thing. You won't find stuff like this anywhere else. Jean-Claude Constantin really makes some fantastic stuff, and high quality. It's made out of wood, and I'm not sure what the bottom is, but there is some sort of a vinyl almost, or painting on the bottom here of the puzzle. Just a really good finish, and the pieces are high quality, well made, and you'll really enjoy this one, guys. I'm telling you, it's I think better than the Pinto Tea. So for those of you really going nuts over that Pinto Tea, guys, check out the 37 STERNE. It is a fantastic puzzle. 37 STERNE is a level 9 on the Puzzle Master difficulty rating scale, which runs from 5 to 10. Next, I'll show you the solution. If you aren't interested in seeing this, then please stop the video here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, so here's the solution to the 37 STERNE, and I'm not really sure how best to go about solving this one, to be honest. It's very different, and I don't know exactly what sort of process you'd find. In the last one, I know with Pinto Tea, Mr. Puzzle kind of hit on the fact that you could see the pattern inside of what was happening there. So there's lots of distractions. You just kind of had to look for, like, there's almost black lines showing you where the piece is kind of outlined, but I don't know that there is something like that in this one. Yeah, it's different. It's very very different from other stuff that you'd see. And the funny thing about these is that there's no real, there's no repeating pattern on the actual pieces themselves. I mean, there is once you put them in, but other than that, there's all the pieces are very differently shaped. There's nothing that looks at all similar to one another, and it's even as I know this puzzle, it's difficult figuring out where stuff goes here. And I would say that, yeah, I don't know what, like I said, I don't know what the process would be, how you would figure out where stuff goes here, but yeah, it's very difficult. Something I've never seen jigsaw puzzles like these, or packing puzzles, I guess is what they would be, but yeah, I've never seen anything quite like it. They're very unique unto themselves, and yeah, it's great design on these. I love the look. Once it feels good too, like when they pop in, it kind of, like Mr. Puzzle explained in the Pinto Tea, it's really satisfying just to kind of have these drop in, and I'll show you some here in the middle once we get it. a little bit further here. And there we go. And I'll show you that drop in. It's pretty neat when you get that happening, and you kind of drop it in, and then the piece just kind of disappears. So here, I'll show you on this one. It's a smaller one, but once you get it to that spot, you just kind of move it and it drops in and disappears. Not quite as much as the Pento T. That is one area I'd say is maybe not quite as neat, but just a fantastic look to this. The puzzle pieces really fit together. It's a tight fit, and they're all that interlocking with the different shapes. That is the 37 STERNE solution, start to finish. The 37 STERNE is available at puzzlemaster.ca, and you'll find a link to it in the description below. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the Puzzle Master YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you have a very puzzling week.